Let's talk about an email that I got this morning that left me so bummed out. It's about ChitlinsCC from the Apple Support Community Forum. So the Apple Support Community Forum, that's the place where if you've got a problem with your iPhone and you Google it, it's going to jump you to discussions.apple.com, which is that user-to-user forum where you can get some information in theory, right? So we've got ChitlinsCC here, who spends a lot of time on the forum, and look at this, he's got 20,834 forum points, getting all the way up to level 7, which is way up in the upper echelon. He's a forum guru. And let's look at the post that got him in trouble because Chitlins was banned from the Apple support community. All that work, banned today. You will not believe why. Let's check out the actual post that got him in so much trouble. So here's the post, and this post is actually right now still there at discussions.apple.com, and you can find it. This is the post contacting Apple support without calling. So the original poster is Alora147, and she's asking a very simple question initially, which is, my phone's broken, how do I call you guys? She's got a beef that she needs to talk to Apple, but her phone's not working, so she wants to know what she should do. And so she's got somebody coming in level 4. Oh, Rachel with only a mere 2,000 points, and she's asking her some questions. And one here will point out what issue are you trying to get help with. So we find out that Alora really is in need of data recovery. So she is saying that she needs to contact Apple because she needs to recover files from a broken iPhone. So this is data recovery, and we know that if you actually contact Apple, Apple authorized, Apple stores, Apple authorized service providers, Apple support, anybody that actually works for Apple, and you tell them you've got a broken phone, you need data recovery, they're going to say, no can do, buckaroo. And we've seen that on this channel time and time again. That's beating a dead horse, right? Everybody knows Apple doesn't do any kind of data recovery. So actually getting in touch with them is not going to help poor Alora. So along comes our hero, ChitlinsCC, the now banned ChitlinsCC, level 7. Great job. And here's his answer. This answer is perfect. Apple does not do data recovery, so contacting Apple support will not help. Totally true. And then he asks if she has a backup, and he tries to give her some help. Do you have a backup? Maybe your stuff is actually being backed up. A lot of stuff goes to iCloud automatically. She responds, nope, not for me. It's not set up. It's not going to the cloud. And then here comes the money. This is the answer that got him in so much trouble. And he said, reputable, independent repairers. Oh my God, we're getting a shout out, guys. Independent repair is being mentioned favorably by the amazing ChitlinsCC, level 7, now banned from the Apple support community forum. So he's actually saying, this is so amazing. It finally happened. Reputable independent repairers may be able to recover data. So true. I love this answer. It depends on how the phone was damaged and how severely. Totally awesome answer. And then he tells her, here's what you're going to do. Just Google iPhone data recovery in your town. Like, this is so not offensive to anyone, right? Google iPhone data recovery in your town, and then look for somebody that's going to offer no data, no fee service. And then he stretches it a little bit too far and says, there are very capable data recovery services available by mail-in, like what we do here at iPad Rehab Microsoldering. He says, I know of one that I trust, but others here do not, as they believe it is your fault for not having a backup. And I'm not sure why they oppose any data recovery. And then here we see those fateful words, edited by moderator. So the thing that got him banned is in this spot, edited by moderator. The moderator could not tolerate the disgusting violation of words that came out of his keyboard right here and got him banned. Now, the good news is that he sent me the email from Apple, and we can see what it was that he said in this spot. So let's go to the email. Here is the email from ChitlinsCC forwarded to me this morning. Here is the same post, right? And now we can see the thing that bothered them so much that they banned him is here in bold. He said, I know of one that I trust, but others here do not. And then he said, right here, let me know and I will publish their web address just long enough for you, original poster, to get it in the email notifications for this thread. And then I will edit it and remove the link. So I will not post a link to iPad Rehab Microsoldering permanently. Just for a second, since you are clearly needing what they do, I will, in my level 7 wisdom, connect you with where you need to go to actually solve the problem. I'll do it just for a second. Boom! That is what got him banned. Right here in bold is now cut off, edited by moderator. And look at how the poster said, oh, that'd be very helpful. Thank you so much. Too bad. So sad. That is offensive to the Apple, to apple.com, and they will not allow ChitlinsCC to, can you believe this? This is what got him banned. So many years of dedication, volunteering to answer user questions all day, every day. And then he just says this one thing where all he's doing is suggesting that he will temporarily, just for a minute, link the person who has a broken phone and Apple will not help. And they're seeking advice on this forum just for a second, and then I'll edit and remove it, I promise. No! Even the mere hint of referring the person in need for data recovery. Oh my God. And I just thought that sucked so bad. That just sucks so bad. So now Apple wins again. And ChitlinsCC and his level 7, his 20,000 points are all in the toilet. He is banned from the Apple support community. Can't answer anymore. He will not be able to say, hey, independent repair might be all right. He's out of there. And that made me really bummed out. And I thought it was really a shame. And I thought you should know.